how to set a new password on your Asus laptop, or change your existing account password for Windows. First, you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings. And from here, you want to go to accounts. And then you want to click on sign in options. You can click on the left side or in the middle for Windows 11. And then you want to click on password. And from here, if you have a password for your account already, you should see a change button. And if you don't have one like me right now, you should see an add button to add a password. So you can click on this and it will ask you to enter a new password. And then you can press next and continue and then finish to set the password. But if you have an existing password, you might need to enter it again right here and then enter a new password if you want to change it. And then you can just leave it blank if you want to get rid of the existing password. If you don't want no password no more, you can leave it empty, enter your already existing password, press next and then finish, and you should be ready to go. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.